All right, we got a special delivery, the Monster Truck E-Case. Let's open this puppy up, if the chickens get out of the way. Oh man, I love Monster Truck case unboxings. This E-Case will not disappoint you. There's a new casting in here and I'm looking forward to showing it off. And evidently so is Batman. Oh yeah. All right, we have 8 brand new Monster Trucks to go over, so let's get started. And the first one up is Demo Ace, which I'm used to saying Demo Derby, but this is of the Mash and Crash series. Has some really cool card art, but the truck overall is really neat. Got a white suspension system, a little graffiti to the back wheel, orange crushable car, and on the back his crash attack is shock and awe. And here's the rest of the trucks in the case. But awesome Monster Truck. Be fun to see it race down the track soon enough. The next truck up is Super Mario Donkey Kong. Has some really cool card art, but this is definitely a truck we've opened before. It's got the barrel in the back, a black suspension system, a chrome engine, red wheels, yellow crushed car, and on the back his crash attack is barrel over. So it's always good to have another Donkey Kong. Next truck up. And the next card up, there it is. It's the 1956 Hightail Hauler. I am super excited about this truck. I love the body style. It's got the blue flames with the yellow background. Let's open this up really quick. It's got a blue crushed car, but look at this truck. I love the chrome wheels, black suspension system. Just a beautiful casting. Really like the chrome bumper. And on the back, we have another chrome bumper with the blue flames again. Just a beautiful Monster Truck. I love it. The card is pretty unique as well. It's got some cool card art. And on the back, his crash attack is a 1956 Smack. So you know that's going to be a heavy old school Smack. That is a beautiful Monster Truck. All right, next truck in the case. Oh, sweet. We have a recolor on Steer Clear. I love the card art, but that is just a beautiful color. I love the deep purples and the blue suspension system and the blue purple wheels. For comparison, this is one I previously opened, which is pretty cool as well. This truck is of the Beast Basher series, which is a really cool series. On the back, his crash attack is Steer Stampede. Always good to have another Steer Clear in the collection. The next truck up is this really cool tuck and roll. You know what? I have got to open this up and see if this will fit on the track. I know it'll fit, but will it run down the track? Let me reword that. So we'll open this up soon enough and take a peek at it. There's the card art. The Monster Truck is really unique. It's got that blue top, green body, red seats. It of course has those 3 wheels. It's got a red crushed car. It's of the Freestyle Wreckers series and just a really unique Monster Truck. And it looks like its crash attack is the triple takedown, which makes sense and is a really cool Monster Truck. All right, next truck up. We have another Mega Rex, and I do not think this is a recolor. Mega Rex is always a truck I will always love since he was a previous King of the Hill. He's in the Monster Trucks Live, so you'll be able to see him live in person one of these days. Its crash attack is Dino Bite, so always good to have another Mega Rex. And the next truck in the case is a 2 School. I really like the body style on this truck. I like the black suspension system and the black wheels with the yellow outline. It's got a red crushed car. It's the Hot Wheels Back to the Basics. It's got some cool card art. This is not a recolor, but here's a previous one I opened up in a King of the Hill. Still really cool. All right, next truck up in the case. And the final truck in the case is this Batitude. I love the neon wings. I love the deep purple to the bat heads. Got a black suspension system, yellow wheels, a red crushed car. It's of the More Neon Scent series. And for comparison, here's a previous one I opened up, so pretty similar. So I'm pretty excited to have another Batitude in the collection. That completes the case unboxing. Here is the star of the box, and we'll see you guys all really soon.